What's up, guys? Derek from Legendary here. Wanted to cover a new feature today. Proposals and estimates are live in Legendary Leads. So if you're a contractor, this is going to be great for you. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future updates. Let's jump right in. So I've already created my first estimate here, and I'll show you what that looks like. You can see we've got kind of a pipeline here. So they'll start as a draft. Once you send them off, they'll go to the waiting for others. You can see I sent this one to me. And then once they get signed, they'll pop up here in the finalized. Now these are very cool because these signatures are verifiable. They will hold up in court, and it's somewhat like a DocuSign. So this is what the person receiving the estimate is going to see. If I click View Estimate, it's going to open the document here. Again, you can populate this with images or a video at the top if you want. You can add products that are existing, or you can kind of create them on the spot, and then it will tell them what they need to do. So this document has one required field. Start filling out. So I'm going to attach my signature here, accept and sign. It's capturing all that data on the back end, and then I'll hit finish. And now it says, thank you for signing the document. We've sent an email with the signed copy for reference. So all that is automated. Now, if you're a contractor, this is great for you because sometimes you don't collect money up front. You're going to get that on the back end, but this will be a legally binding document. Just like DocuSign, you'll receive a signature certificate kind of authenticating that, and it's capturing all the data on the back end, like their IP address and all that type of info. So now you'll see here, this is went to finalized and accepted. So I can click that and open it. And there you go. So we have that here, which is awesome. Now let's go into the builder so you can kind of see where we're at on this feature. So we have invoices here as well. So if you aren't familiar with Legendary Leads, you can do all your invoicing as well through here. But let's check out the new estimates and proposals. So here's a blank page, right? So this is a blank estimate, new estimate. Here are the elements we can add. So if we wanted, we could add video up at the top. You would paste it from YouTube. So let me just pull a YouTube video in, kind of show you how that works. This would be great for like explaining the proposal. You could do individualized proposals in this way. So I'm just going to pull in a video here from my channel. I'll do my social posting video. So post with the Legendary Leads Social Planner. It puts the video right there, which is awesome. If you need to itemize things, you can add this table feature and add columns, delete columns, stuff like that. If you have existing products in here, you can just drag this product and add that. If you want to add a discount for this specific user, you have the percentage or custom amount. So say I wanted to give $50 off, hit save. You can see it automatically applies that discount and total amount due updates. And the important thing here is the signature block. So this is what's going to capture that signature, and it's just as valid as any other top signature providers out there. So DocuSign, level security, and all that. Once you're happy with it, you can select preview. Make sure it looks good. This is what they're going to receive. They'll be able to play the video up top. Alternatively, you can have an image up there, but super cool to be able to customize these. Again, you can add additional pages as well. If you have multiple pages, you would just put the signature on each page is how I would do it. And then for recipients, you would look in your contacts here. So these would be straight from your database of contacts in Legendary Leads. Again, you can add a new contact very easily if you wanted to send this as a one-off for someone not already in your system. But you would pull this in here. Say you wanted to select one, make sure it's the right person there, and then you'll hit send. So easy as that. The invoice or the proposal or estimate is sent, and they'll get it on their end. They can open it, review it, sign it, and then boom, you're good to go. Start on the work. So super excited to get this out there for all the contractors and local business people who might be able to use this. There's going to be automation coming as well. So as you know, Legendary Leads has tons of automation features. We will get this in the automation. So you'll be able to send a proposal. Basically, it'll add them to a pipeline you create, and you can see proposal sent stage here. Then once they sign, it'll move them over automatically to signed proposal. And then once that's done, it can automatically generate the invoice, and invoice generated could be a sales pipeline stage. Once they pay the invoice, it can move them over to invoice paid, all that type of stuff. So super excited about this feature, and Hopefully you are too. Again, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos. If you're new to Legendary Leads, you can visit legendaryleads.co, and I'll pull that up for you to start a 7-day free trial today. And again, appreciate you guys for checking out the channel. Catch you on the next one. Stay legendary.